taking a lot of fruits. We Africans do not take a lot of fruits because our foods are heavy. We want to eat fufu, we want to eat banku, akpele, fetrebechi, we want to eat beans, sengari, and cocoa. We do not want to invest in fruits, but fruits changed everything for me. So all these things coming together helped me to now free my bowels very simply, and I wasn't seeing any traces of blood in my stool. I wasn't feeling any pain in my rectum or my anal area, and it's really helped me. And welcome to my channel. Today I share a very sensitive part of my life with you, and it started like this. I actually realized I had chronic constipation in the year 2020, and I knew that it's something that worries me. So if you do not know the graphic definition of constipation, let me tell you. Constipation is when you have eaten not too much, you go to the toilet, you do not go to the toilet within 5 minutes. You go to the toilet, stay there for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, just going to toilet.
How are you telling me this?
And by the time you finish, you realize that there are some blood stains in the tissue. Yes, that's how far it went. So this constipation had been there for some time. So in 2021, I chanced upon a doctor whom I interviewed, Dr. Morris, hi. And he was describing constipation in a very normal conversation I was having off record with him. So when he was talking about it, I spoke to him at length, like for 2 hours, and asked a lot of questions. I didn't actually tell him about the situation at hand, but I asked him a lot of things, and that is why I'm doing this video. You might think that we here on the internet, everyone is cool, everyone is moving on, but things happen. It's only few people who want to open up to tell you. The reason why I'm doing this video is for you to know that constipation can kill you if you don't do anything about it. And gut health is very important, so you have to heal your gut. The first way of healing my gut and saving myself from the stress of constipation is avoiding a lot of sugar. You know, a lot of these sugars are not from eating raw sugar, but normally eating bread and biscuits and all the things that turn into sugar in the long run. Eating too much of it, the starchy foods and the carbohydrates, they all turn into glucose at the end. So I had to start reducing it. Instead of taking a lot of rice and a small scoop of stew, I rather take few spoons of rice and a lot of stew to accompany the rice. That was the beginning of the whole healing process. I started doing that and I saw tremendous improvement. Afterwards, I graduated from reducing the too much carbohydrate and added a lot of vegetables to my diet. The next thing that also helped me is inculcating warm water drinking in my daily routine. So every morning when I wake up, the first thing I have to do is to take a cup of warm water. Trust me, you try this for a week and tell me what you think about it. It is going to really help. Even if you do not have any constipation issues, and you just Google it, you would know the benefits of it. Take a cup of warm water every morning and see how fresh your skin can become, how smoothly your gut can allow you to release yourself, how fresh you would feel inside out. It was very helpful. And also the next thing that I also inculcated in my diets that helped me was a lot of drinking water during the day. So normally I'll take water when I'm thirsty, but when I realized that not taking enough water also contributed to constipation, I made it a point to take water. Not too much, you know, too much of everything is bad. So not too much that you are going to have alerts from your system that you are too full. No, keep sipping small to keep your body hydrated. Hydration helps. And also the major thing that helped with this constipation. Right now I'm not constipating. I do not constipate anymore. Taking a lot of fruits. We Africans do not take a lot of fruits because our foods are heavy. We want to eat fufu, we want to eat banku, akpele, fetribechi, we want to eat beans, sengari, and cocoa. We do not want to invest in fruits, but fruits changed everything for me. So all these things coming together helped me to now free my bowels very, very simply, and I wasn't seeing any traces of blood in my stool. I wasn't feeling any pain in my rectum or my anal area, and it's really helped me. Please try to inculcate these things in your diet, and it's going to free yourself from a lot of things. Someone might be asking, so if I go all out and do all these things, I'm not constipating, so if I do all these things, how helpful is it going to be? It's going to boost your overall health, okay? It's going to help your body and your skin to be fresh enough. It's going to reduce the level at which you get sick, okay? So it's a good thing you have to put into your diet. And if you have activated charcoal, you can also be taking some once every while, okay? Once every while. Most of the time, if I'm going to the toilet or if in the evening I'm going to sleep, I take a teaspoon of activated charcoal into warm water and drink it. It also washes my system. That is very good for me. So these are the few tips that I have that if you take to, it's going to give you good gut health and you're going to be happy you did. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you really learned something. Do you also have some tricks and tips that relieves you of constipation? If you do, please tell us in the comment section. Let's all learn from this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.